hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. Now this is a very quick video. I have actually removed all my makeup and did my lip balm. Everything is done, and today I wanted to share a hair care routine because many of you guys have actually said that there is a lot of hair fall. The hair is getting very rough. There is a grayness in the hair which I actually have, but not that amount. So I thought, why not to share with you guys a proper hair care routine, because I think hair care routine is something which I usually don't do, and I thought today let's just do this video because I think this video was not to share my hair care routine. Now I have actually filmed a lot of videos. There is a giveaway which I have already announced in my Meesho most affordable makeup haul, so do not forget to check that video. I have filmed a lot of other videos which will be coming this week, which is from today's 9th. I am filming this video 10, 11, 12. So from the 12th week, like from Monday, the next week, there will be a lot of videos coming which I have actually filmed for you guys. And I have actually removed all my makeup. Now I'm going to bed. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm filming this video and I wanted to do a hair care because like what actually happens in the summer is you tend to sweat a lot, and when you sweat, the hairs and the scalp area, these things also sweat a lot. When it sweats a lot, it tends to become a little itchy. Some people get dandruff, some people get a lot of irritation and all of the other stuffs. So it's very important that in a week at least twice or thrice you oil your hair. And after oiling your hair, it is very important that you make a proper braid. And while doing your hair care routine, there are a lot of other things you need to understand and figure out. So let's just begin the video. The first thing which I'm taking is, you can take a normal coconut oil, and but I am taking here Good Vibes Onion Hair Control Oil. Now onion hair oil is something which is very good. If you are a person who have a lot of time, then please take a onion, grate it like kaddukas kar lo, and extract the complete juice from the onion and apply it directly on your scalp. That is the best thing that you can do to your hair. But since I'm a little, I do have office I do have other household chores, and then I have a lot of other things, so I do not get that much of amount of time. But if you can bear the smell of the onion, that rust and all of that, then definitely go ahead with that. So as of now, I am taking a little bit of the onion oil to put it on the scalp. Then I'm just gonna mix a eucalyptus oil. This is also from Good Vibes. You can mix eucalyptus oil. You can mix tea tree oil. Now eucalyptus oil is something which I mix because of the dandruff. I do not have dandruff, but I somewhere feel my scalp is not that healthy because of this summer. So the first thing you are gonna directly apply on the scalp, and after applying on the scalp, massage it real good. If you have a hair massager, which I do have, but I need to again get up, so I'm really lazy about it, so I did not do it. Then again, the second step I'm gonna take, so the first chunk of oil will go into your scalp. Now this is your scalp. Then again, I'm gonna take a little bit of this eucalyptus oil or tea tree oil, or you can also take lavender oil, frankincense oil, lot of other oils which are very good for the circulation of blood into your scalp. Now massage your scalp real good. Now if you are a person who wears sindoor, like I wear sindoor, make sure that you actually massage this area as well, because I'm very sure you guys are knowing that sindoor has a lot, not a lot, but it does has a chemical to it. So definitely it should not happen that in the later stage of the cycle, you tend to lose the hairs from this area where you apply sindoor. So definitely give it a very good massage. And after you massage, and all this everything happens at your scalp place, so make sure you do a very good chumpy. I'm just gonna show you all the directions where you can do the chumpy: left, right, center, wherever you get. If you have helping hand, like my husband is not well nowadays, or else he actually does that for me. So that complete champy is very 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 important. Make sure whatever is remaining, do not apply too much of hair oil. Now many people thinks that I do not apply proper hair oil, that's why I'm getting a lot of hair fall, and you tend to apply double the hair oil. Please understand one thing: if you apply double quantity of hair oil, you need double quantity of a shampoo to get rid of it. And to be very honest, every shampoo I use, the shampoo which is khadi, which is completely organic and natural. But to be very honest, every shampoo has here and there chemical. So understand, if you apply a lot of hair oil, you need a lot of shampoo to get rid of it. So don't do that. The first application is your scalp, the second application is your entire massage area. Massage it really good, and next purchase a little, invest a little amount in the hair capsules. Now this is something which I've already showed in my summer essential. The fact I showed in the summer essential was because not only you sweat, your hairs, your scalp tend to sweat. Now I have applied hair in the scalp area. Now if you really want a shine in your length part, then definitely go for any of the hair capsule. I go for this Shields. You can go for any of the brand, it doesn't matter, but please go for any of the hair capsule, which is very very important. Or else the simple thing, you go to medical shop, you get vitamin E capsules, Evion, yes, Evion 200. That is a capsule, you will get it. You can definitely purchase that. That is super inexpensive, guys. I think you will get in 30 rupees that Evion capsules. Not the correct way. You need to actually take the scissor and then do it. I just took the capsule. I have taken all the amount. Now there is a lot of oil. I will just apply it on the length of my hair, and trust me, my hair tends to shine after just one application of shampoo. So just one hair capsule is just enough. Go for Evion capsule. Make a hair mask. I will also make a separate video of the hair mask, where you can take Evion capsule, you can take aloe vera gel and a little amount of yogurt. Make a good paste and apply it on the roots of your hair. That will give you a very 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 good, nourishing and shiniest hair. Now the hair capsule, after applying, see, my hair is actually giving that shine, because you know the roots of your hair, the tips of your hair is actually exposed to a lot of, you know, when you go out, a lot of dust, exposes to a lot of other things, which is which tends to make your, you know, tips a real what to say, rough. So it's very important that you treat your roots as well as the tips. Now the next thing which I will do is just gonna braid my hair, and make sure the pillow which you are sleeping is completely rayon. Do not sleep in the pillow which is cotton, because that will lead to the friction between your hair tips and your pillow. So make sure whenever you apply the hair oil, or probably every day, do not sleep in a cotton bed sheet, but do not sleep in a pillow cover which is purely cotton, because that tends to have a lot of friction between your hair and your cushion. So these are the small things. And then in the morning, the first thing you do is you kind of shampoo your hair. Do not shampoo twice, shampoo only once. Take an adequate quantity according to your length of your hair. Mix it with little amount of water. Do not apply any of the shampoo directly on your hair, because that will help you to, you know, somewhere neutralize the chemicals which is available in your shampoo. So do not take your shampoo directly and apply on your hair. Mix it with adequate quantity of water and then apply on your hair. Trust me, that will give you a very good result. You will tend to lose your hair less, and your hair thickness will automatically increase. So that's pretty much for today's video. Please you know, inculcate all these 3 or 4 steps in your hair care routine, and I'm sure you will find adequate and a visible change in your hair fall or hair you know, texture and quantity, and also on your thickness. So that's pretty much. If you really find this video a little helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, and please hit the bell notification next to the subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video you all will be well notified about it. That's pretty much signing off for today. Stay very safe. Corona cases are really rising at a very higher rate. Maintain social distancing and stay very safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.